Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. I do appreciate it. Here I am standing in Lapo. I'm at the LG Garden Walk restaurant. It's actually a mini mall. They have a lot of different stores here, restaurants, retail. And today I'm going to do a food review. Thanks for joining. My name is Tim. I do Philippines related content. I did a food review last week on Greenwich Pizza. And today I'm going to do another food review. Here at the LG Garden Walk, I wanted to give you a short tour of the inside of the LG Garden Walk. They have Sangyang Station Restaurant, 33 Cafe, 33 ounce cafe. And I will bring you food reviews periodically. They even have the Kraken crab. They have slushies there, fresh dragon fruit. And here I am at the LG Garden Walk in Mactan. And today I'm going to do a food review at the Dessert Factory Restaurant and Bakery. Let's go inside and take a look. Look at the awesome bakery. The first thing you see is this beautiful bakery, beautiful cake. Very nice restaurant. I'll video the food menu. There is a cafe and a restaurant. They even have all-day breakfast. And I will let you know what I'm going to have in a minute. Here are their entrees. You can even get small, medium, and large entrees. That is your menu. Ice cream cakes to even serve. And they even have regular cakes as well. They have Belgian waffles, new on the menu. Yummy brownies, 45 pesos for a yummy brownie. Very nice. Even have cool purple booths to eat in. What do you say, friends? We order something and I'll give you a food review. Well, I just received my food. And here it is. It's an egg and cheese bagel. I already took a bite out of it. That is what it looks like underneath. It's a very fluffy egg. And the bun is a sesame seed bun. It's not toasted a lot. And my first bite was very good. It does have, I believe, mayonnaise on it. I will finish the meal and I will give you my full review in a minute. Well, today's a special day. I decided to have dessert as well. I will give you a full review of my egg and cheese bagel, but this is my dessert. This restaurant is noted for desserts. It is called the Dessert Factory. And today I'm having brownie a la mode and a small glass of milk right there. This is served warm. You can see the a la mode, the ice cream is melting. I'll dig in and I'll let you know how it tastes. So there you have it. I just finished my food at the Dessert Factory restaurant and bakery. And I want to give you my food review of it. Overall, I had the egg and cheese bagel. And I rate the egg and cheese bagel an 8 out of 10. The quality of the bread was very good. And generally speaking, here in the Philippines, the bread that they make and they serve is very good. But the Filipinos, they like their bread to be soft. They do not toast bread here in the Philippines as a general rule. So the bread on the bagel, or the bread on the egg bagel, was soft because it's Filipino style. The egg was very good. The quality of the egg was good. In the Philippines, the dairy products, especially the cheese is okay. And there was mayonnaise on the egg bagel. Overall, I give the egg bagel an 8 out of 10. And I reduced it because of the lack of toast and the quality of the cheese and the mayonnaise, really. I ate the whole bagel. It was good. If you're hungry, I do recommend that restaurant. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. The bagel costs 85 pesos. And I'll put a pop-up box in to let you know how much that was. I think it's like $1.50 US. I also had the dessert. It was a brownie a la mode. It was served with vanilla ice cream and dark chocolate. It was served warm. And that tasted very good. That dessert was awesome. It was very, very great. I would give the dessert a 9.5 out of 10. And I think the only reason I would deduct a half a point was the size of the brownie. It was kind of small. It was kind of thin, actually. And then I had a can of Coke. It's a 11-ounce can of Coke. And I think that cost 80 pesos. So overall, my meal was very good. And I would give the entire meal an overall grade of 8.5 out of 10. I do recommend the Dessert Factory right over there. A couple of weeks ago, I did have a chicken dinner there. It was chicken breast. It was a breaded chicken breast. It was very good. And I did not video that. I would give that. I would have given that meal an 8.5 out of 10 as well. So there you have it, friends. That is my food review of the Dessert Factory here in Lapu-Lapu. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.